As you may know, there's a new Gorilla Tag update. I'm gonna read some stuff. The weather is usually cool during this time of the year, but forests are heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly hear the lava burbling over the erupting of laughter. Check out the shop to grab fun gear to handle the heat and stylish cosmetics that will have you looking hotter than ever. Exclusively our VR cosmetics will be in City Store for 24 hours starting on September 23rd at 1 p.m. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I was mixing. I will be there, and I might not record. I don't know. It's my first time seeing the update, so let's go into here first. Volcano. That's the first thing I can notice. And there are these buckets. This is a rock. This is another rock. What do I do with it? I don't know. Can I, like, go in it? No, I can't. Terrible physics. Oh wait, I think I have to put more in, so like, it like erupts. So it's like the floor lava trend from like 2018 or something. Kobe. Oh, Kobe. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Kobe. Oops, I missed. Gosh darn it, man. I actually suck at this. Let me just... Oh, it's getting higher. I think I have to do it like fast. I think I have to like speed run this. Oh no, it's getting closer. Shoot. Oh. No, no, it's erupting. It's erupting. Why is it like shiny? Can't tell if it's a holy moly. Dude, this is sick. Look how far Gorilla Tigers came from. So anywhere from there is safe, I guess. If I jump in there, will I become a lava monkey? Let's see. No, I do not. I just swear. This will be so overpowered in like other game modes. This is so cool. So I've made it back up to Stump, and as I said at the start, there should be new cosmetics. So 3, 2, 1. Forest lava. I kinda expected lava themed items. I'ma just I'll fast forward to the time where I'm actually trying them on. You just go to your date that you got off Tinder and he pulls up in this. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you gonna do if actually someone just pulls up to this on your date? That would be kinda embarrassing. See these other cosmetics. We have a papor. You can eat it. Oh, actually that's kinda cool. A big question is, why am I shining? Like, see, I'm like shining. We got a parrot. That when I squeeze, it's like me when I squeeze all the 16 children in my basement. What about this? What's this? Oh, this is like, what? A lighter? Oh my, this is actually kind of cool. I kind of want this. And I can just like draw stuff. Yes. We got, oh, not the mug. Oh, a little love heart. It's kind of cool. Slingshot. That's also pretty cool. We got a mug. There's lava on it. If I drink it, what happens? You die. Don't drink lava, guys. Have this. I feel like Feels like something that like a royal would use to make Avatar the Last Airbender, like one of like the queens. They're just like, I don't know why, but I don't like the shiny parts. It's kind of cool, but it's also kind of dookie. I forgot about this. This is pretty cool. Except if you're playing like hide and seek, everyone will know where you are because of these little flames. You could also draw stuff like. It's a bit harder though to draw stuff. Yeah. Oh, I nearly forgot about this. Happens if you hit someone, then boom, 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 boom. That's kind of cool. Dude, I only have like 400 shiny rocks. I'm so broke. So I can't buy anything here. I'm probably gonna. I want to get something from the We Are VR event, but you know, got no shiny rocks. So I want to see how much all of these stuff cost. I'm gonna tell you. This thing, 2,000. This thing also 2,000. This thing also 2,200, 2,500, 2,500, 2,200. 2,200, 1,500, 5,000. Waste of money. 0. 2,500, 400. I really want that. Yeah. Prices. My math isn't gonna work anymore after this video. I've talking too much. They have a new cosmetic that's for free. This thing. 0 shiny rocks. Yes, I need it. I need it right now. Let's go. So, that's this update. Bye, guys.